Hi, I'm Jeremy Kojo, and welcome to GuardAgent. So pretty much starting out with our architecture chart, giving a brief overview to the team of how my event-driven AI agent operates. So if you're a developer, you're pushing a new commit to GitLab, somehow, during the pre-prep of the code, they wanted you to push, or someone else was working on the code with you. A test key was left in there, or maybe even somehow some malicious code or unexpected code was written badly and got in there. So ideally, a traditional scanner utilizing regex patterns would incur some type of alert fatigue because it wouldn't understand the code. Guard agent is different. It actually reasons about what it needs to read. And then let's go over that flow. When that code is pushed, GitLab will fire a webhook to my Google Cloud Run bridge. The bridge will cryptographically verify the payload for zero trust security and then securely wake up Google's Cloud Agent Builder. Using the MCP platform per Gemini 2.5 Flash, I can fetch the code difference, analyze the semantic intent of the commit, and determine if there's a real threat. All right, so here we are at our GitLab repo for a guard agent. I'm going to copy the code from test security 2.py to create a new file to demonstrate what occurs. Repo here, new file, test underscore security 3.py. I'll paste this here. We'll just call that 5. And go. Let's go ahead and commit this. And as we check the commits, just uploaded, and I have a few others in there I was testing. And here we go. It has now generated a verdict along with a risk score for us. I'm just going to refresh the page here real quickly. It gives a breakdown. The new function send data and test security 3.py is designated execute user credentials. So it gives the whole breakdown of it. It flagged this as a high risk vulnerability. And it also explains that even though the variable, is in the test status, it explains why it shouldn't be in this manner. And if we come over here and check my logs, as I refresh my Cloud Run logs, it will then pick up all the activity for us, showing the time and the date of the logs being picked up, showing our 200s, starting the scan, guard agent. Thank you guys very much and have a great day. Goodbye.